Hello, I'm Rob Garagiola, Senator from Montgomery County and Chairman of the Senate Democratic Caucus. Maryland, like nearly every other state, is grappling with significant fiscal issues due to the worst national recession since the Great Depression. You can be assured that we will meet such fiscal challenges head-on. I want to say unequivocally that we will balance our state budget just like Maryland families have to balance theirs. And we will do it without raising taxes. While we work to pass a balanced budget while maintaining funding for key priorities like education, public safety, and job creation, we will also work to meet other challenges in Maryland. We cannot allow the national recession to be an excuse for ignoring other problems that people expect us to address. Our long-term quality of life depends on our ability to make progress this year on issues that matter to people across the state. In addition to supporting many of the governor's initiatives to create jobs and removing obstacles that keep hard-working people from finding work, Senate Democrats have rolled out an agenda of practical solutions for Maryland on an array of issues, including environmental, health care, public safety, and transparency in government initiatives. I want to take the time to highlight a few of those initiatives. One innovative idea that is part of our Senate Democratic legislative package is to create a Chesapeake Conservation Corps, a public-private partnership that will place young Marylanders in green-collar jobs. Modeled on AmeriCorps, the Chesapeake Conservation Corps will use existing state resources to provide stipends to recent college graduates to work on energy conservation and environmental restoration projects throughout the state. The Senate Democratic agenda also includes legislation to prohibit employers from using your credit score in making a decision whether to hire you. The recession has taken a toll on people across our state, and unfortunately, lower credit scores are a fact of life for many that have experienced financial strain. For those who want to get back on their feet and get to work, their credit score should not prevent them from getting a job. On the public safety front, our agenda also includes legislation to further strengthen our laws to protect children from sexual predators. This legislature has a record of taking tough action against sexual predators, including mandatory minimum sentences and increased post-release supervision. Sadly, the violent death of 11-year-old Sarah Foxwell reminds us that there is more work to be done. We will expand the information contained on Maryland's online sex offender registry, and we will require information from other states to be put on our registry. We will also work with the governor and our colleagues on the other side of the aisle to strengthen our system this year to reduce the chance that any family will have to experience what Sarah Foxwell's family experienced this Christmas. While questions remain about national health care reform, we will take 2 steps to improve health care access for Maryland patients. Currently, health insurance companies can deny coverage for a wellness visit which occurs less than 365 days after the prior year's visit. Basically, if a parent seeks a wellness visit for their child within a 365-day period, some insurance companies are denying coverage. We need to promote effective prevention efforts to save health care dollars and improve health outcomes. This proposal would allow leeway for parents with busy schedules to schedule a wellness visit that is covered within 45 days of the anniversary of the prior year's visit. We will also give patients more flexibility by allowing individuals who seek out-of-network health care services the ability to assign, with certain protections, the insurance benefit payment to an out-of-network insurance provider. This is common sense legislation that will help cut administrative costs in healthcare and protect patients. To learn more about these proposals, or our proposals on ethics, pension protection, historic preservation, and services for the developmentally disabled, check out the Maryland Senate Democrats on Facebook. And although these proposals are part of the Senate Democratic Caucus agenda, these ideas are not partisan solutions. In fact, we have reached out to many of our Republican colleagues on these issues, and many have joined us as co-sponsors of these initiatives. We are proud to serve you in Annapolis. If you have any questions, concerns, or need help with a problem, please do not hesitate to call us at 410-841-3000 or 301-858-3000. Thank you for watching this video.